Why choose a TouchWo interactive whiteboard? When using a traditional whiteboard, writing may be unclear, hands get messy, and notes are hard to save. With a TouchWo interactive whiteboard, writing is smooth and responsive. Everything you write can be saved and shared instantly. Traditional projection often relies on HDMI cables, which can be inconvenient and slow to set up. TouchWo interactive whiteboards support wireless screen sharing, allowing phones, tablets, and laptops to connect and share instantly. In traditional meetings, small screens make remote collaboration less effective. With an interactive whiteboard, teams can join video meetings on a large display, compatible with most conferencing apps. In training or teaching environments, drawing diagrams is too inefficient. TouchWo interactive whiteboards include built-in tools like mind maps, voting features, and smart shapes, making collaboration more efficient. The interactive whiteboard is also Google EDLA certified, providing secure access to Google Play, Google Workspace, and a wide range of educational apps. TouchWo interactive whiteboards. Smarter meetings. More interactive learning.